Prior to the installation of any antenna, the service provider provides us with the antenna details, and then we do an analysis to be able to predict the possible emission from these towers. And we compare the values we get with the global standard we use. If it falls within the limits, we issue what we call conditional compliance certificate. Once the tower is mounted and service is online, we go around the communities and do physical measurements of the emission from these cell sites. So far, there has not been any incident where they've gone close to the IGNEP reference level. In most cases in Ghana, we don't make even 10% of the levels because, ensuring that both the worker as well as the members of the public are not adversely affected by this form of emission.